hey, we're gonna see if we could transplant these sugar snap peas into these pots right here. Not sure what size these are. Here we are. Here's our second one. And I just get these at the Home Depot, my local Home Depot, for a few dollars. These are packs of 15. Go ahead and get these ready. So what I have here is the sugar snap peas, and I have these Jiffy pots. These might be like 3-inch pots or something. I bought them in packs of 15. And I'm just gonna fill them up with the flour and vegetable garden soil, maybe like a little less than halfway. And I'm going to transplant my beautiful, be very careful, my beautiful sugar snap peas. I want to be very gentle with these beautiful, beautiful food plants. Just fill them up with dirt, make it nice and pretty. Sugar snap peas. Right here I have 3 so far transplanted. Fill it up like a quarter of the way. Grab one of the beauties. And fill her up. Wow, would you look at that? These are probably only 2 weeks old, a week and a half old, and they're already 10 inches, almost a foot. So they're growing very fast. It's December, I'm in South Florida. You just want to be careful not to damage the roots. Look at that. Wow. Just gonna fill her up. Look at that. Oh, these are sugar snap peas. Those ones are tomato and lettuce. Yup, that's the Roma tomato right there in front of us. Those tall ones are the sugar snap peas. And those little sprouts behind the sugar snap peas, those are sweet basil. And that is my iceberg lettuce in the back. You can see the sugar snap peas are growing. Oh my gosh, I intend to bring forth heaven on earth and release us all from bondage, motherfucker.